What's up, YouTube? Pat the Car Guy here, talking to you about this 2019 Toyota Highlander Limited. This is a 7-passenger model. Also kind of unique configuration. It's the Blizzard Pearl white color with the almond interior. We don't get these in very often. So I wanted to show you what it looks like. Definitely a little different than the black or gray interior. Also, this one has the optional captain's chairs in the second row, so that makes it a 7-passenger vehicle. Another cool thing, this one has the factory hitch pre-installed. So again, 7-passenger configuration, this one. Comes with the all-weather mats. So configured this way with the tow package already factory installed. Also has the roof rack, crossbars. Comes to 46,648. This one is sold. Like I said, kind of a rare package. I'd be happy to go look for and find you one of these if it's what you're looking for. We've also got plenty of other inventory without the almond interior, with other interior color choices. Again, I'm Patrick over here at Gresham Toyota, your gateway to adventure. You can reach me at the number below. Have a great day.